is your girl Renee, and I am outside in my garage, and I am getting ready to plant up this beautiful palm tree that was sent to me from Candy's garden. So I have already put this seed starting potty mix, mixed it with some good amendments, and I put some hot water. So now the soil is all nice and cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some dirt in this container, because this is a container that this beautiful palm tree will be living in all winter, probably until spring, until I can get it outside. So let's put some dirt in here. There's some dirt in there. And then I have already taken the palm tree out of the plastic bag, and trust and believe, she had it all sealed up nicely. The bag, you can see, is still nice and moist. So I'm going to just cut this bag open so I can get to the plant. And hopefully just cut it enough to where I can take this bag off of this plant. You can see it's nicely wrapped. She was going to make sure she got it to me, and I'm so appreciative. And let's look at the roots and stuff of this plant. Get rid of any extra dirt that's down there, and check out the roots. So girl, you got some good roots showing. So we're just going to loosen that up a little. So these roots, see how they look like they're all going around in a circle? We're just going to loosen them up so they can breathe and get ready to expand in their new home. So we're going to stick this down in here, because I want to make sure that those roots have some room to move. They're only going to be in here, like I said, until springtime. Then we're going to just put some of this dirt around this palm tree, and I'm going to sit this on my windowsill so it can make it through the winter. So I'm going to try my best, Josie, to keep this alive, girl, until till spring. And then we're going to put it out there so it can get all that Mother Nature's love, and it will take it from there. And I'm just going to give it time to adjust, pack it down, so it can, see how it's looking? Looks good. I didn't put any fertilizer in there. I just put in good nutrients to help this palm tree get used to its new home. So that is the first one. The second one, she has it in the same kind of a bag, and I'm just going to plant it up. But I just wanted to show you guys how I planted it up. And then once I get this one all planted, then I'll come back and show you what they look like. And this is what I'm talking about, how she had it all with nice twine on it. So I'm just going to cut this one. And she says that she just cut this one back because she said it didn't look so good. So that's all right. I'm just so appreciative that you wanted to share your plant with me, because like I said, I'm still working on my original, but I'm not going to give up on it, because you never know. You put it in a new planter and you give it some love, that may be the only thing that it really needs. So this is the one that she said that she cut back. And so this is what it's going to look like. Let me see how the roots are. Yeah, some roots. See the roots at the bottom? I don't know if you can see that, but they have good roots. So I'm just going to stick this one in another pot. And we're going to get this bad boy all planted up. And then I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. Hey guys, so I've got them all planted up. This is the first one, which I think it's going to be fabulous. And then I had to find a container, so reuse the container for the other palm tree. And then I decided to go ahead, while I was out here, go ahead and plant up my pineapple top, because it had roots at the bottom and it was ready. And I'm going to sit this one too on my magical windowsill. So, alright, you guys. I got my palm tree that was gifted to me from Candy's Garden. Thank you, my friend. I am so thankful and honored, and I will try to make you proud. And you know what? You are like family to me as well. Alright, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Keep your fingers crossed, and I will give you updates on how these beautiful palm trees are doing. Alright guys, I'm so excited. I have 2 new palm trees to put on my magical windowsill, and we want to see how they do. Alright guys, have a wonderful day, have a blessed day, and Miss Renee, we'll see you in the next video. Alright guys, take care.